So this here is a headboard that we got, and it came out of this box. And this is basically what it looks like right out of the box. Opening the back here, it has these parts here. Use the legs, which can go onto your frame, or it can go onto your wall. And we're kind of gonna do it differently because we're not going to use the legs or the frame for this, because we're going to put it against our wall. So you can do it either way. You can hang it right on your wall, or you can do it on a frame. So in this case, these are the frame components here, but we're not going to use those. We are going to do it our own way. Here we're getting the components out there. I'm going to pause it. There's the hardware. If you're going to attach it to your bed or use it as the stand, that's what you would use. It has pretty much all the pieces that you need.
Be what you connect to the bed with. And this is for the wall. So you screw these to the wall, and then this just drops down on. You put these on here.
Cool.
So that might be what we do.
That's probably the way we're going to do it, because we're not going to attach it to the bed frame, just because we have a window that's low, so it's going to stick up over our window. So we're just going to change it around here a little bit because of that window there. So here you can see the back. It's a really nice heavy material.
So like I said, this will be attached to, you could do it two different ways. You could attach this to the wall and then attach this to the bed, or you could do it vice versa. I think we might do it that way. I like the idea of the pegs being there, and then you just slide the thing onto the wall. All right, so this is the plate that you have to put on, and I found the holes for this to go on. So this would be on the wall. So whenever you put this on the wall, however high you want your bed to be from where you want it, you're going to want to measure down that amount, attach these, and then measure from side to side, and that'll give you where you need to put these. Where you need to put these. So they come with 4 little screws that go in the top up here, and there are pre-drilled holes, so just go ahead and screw these in, and there we go. So now comes the hard part.
There's handles there too. I don't think I noticed them before.
I think that was just for shipping. I don't think that's for anything specific.
Is that hanging on the wall? No.
No, this is for hanging on the wall. So this from the top of the center is about, let's say, 2 1/4. Yes. And from the center of this to here, what do we got? 49 to the center of that?
Yes.
So 2 1/4 and 49. Got that?
2 1/4 and 49.
Right.
So we measured those out so they're centered. And now we're getting our screws.
Should line up with where the center is, so that can just slip down over.
And now for the second one. And there's both of them on the wall now. All right, recording. You can see what this looks like. There it is.
That's fancy.
This is going to hook right into there. Super simple.
Like a glove. We're in.
There we go. And then we just put our bed up against there and we'll be good to go. And that is a queen headboard.
Oh, wait a minute. That might be the one I'm currently using.
But they are. They're loving it. So check this out if you're looking for an easy to install headboard.